All right, we're back. And we got more snow. This is currently broken. Everything works. Shear pin fell out. So new shear pin comes in, supposed to be today. But we got a couple inches of snow. So we're going to do some shoveling. Get everything cleared off. Should be fun. Easy. Probably gonna have to put some salt down. I haven't advertised any driveways today. I do have a couple customers that will go do a quick scrape on. Just the shovels. Nothing big. We make sure they're taken care of. I got this shovel 3 or 4 years ago. It works really good for this. Now, if it's a deeper snow, it doesn't work the greatest. But for just pushing, works great. You can see we are about tired of snow right now. Let's get a different shovel here. Ah, there it is. This is my favorite shovel. It's got the metal edging on the back. We're not going to waste a ton of time on my driveway. I do have to do the steps. I do always make sure, since we have these steps, they're cleared off for any sort of deliveries. And I do know I got the shear pin for my snowblower supposed to be in today. shout out to Northern Snow. Stefano. I might have messed your name up, bro. That snow they've had, crazy. It's like 12 straight days. More of a regular snow for us. Awesome. Then I try to do the railing a little bit, just in case. Probably should have done it before. And throw a little salt down. Loading the stuff up here. We're gonna go to a customer, maybe two. Maybe I'll keep you guys on for that. All right. That didn't work out real good. Go. There we go. Just real quick. Nothing big. Can't really tell. Driveway's a little bit of a slope, not much. So let's try and make sure this bottom part is salted for sure. I think I did see where we've got one chance for snow this weekend. Nothing major. Just a little bit. All right. We will head over to our customer's house. That was wanting to scrape. Know what I forgot? Let's take the tripod. My garage right now. Absolute disaster. Oh boy. All right. Whew. So she had to work today, so she drove over her driveway already. But we'll still be able to get most of it. Alright. See if we can do a time lapse too. She got going on here. Perfect. I'm gonna use this one. Boom. You can see this thing works great for this little snow. Using the head cam on GoPro. I'm not sure if you guys can actually hear me or if it just looks like I'm out here talking to myself. I'm sure the neighbors think I'm out here talking to myself, but that's okay. There's kind of a wonky little flower bed right here, so we're just gonna toss it up and in. Like I said, this shovel is perfect for this. This neighborhood gets a ton of leaves. As you can see, these big trees, tons and tons of leaves. So we do a couple leaf cleanups over here, but next year we're gonna have to revisit how we do it. Right now we tarp it, throw it into a dump trailer. It takes a little bit. It's not the most efficient for space. Perfect. Done. Push that to where we can, got a spot to scoop it. This work. And I think she's actually got some salt right here. That is rock solid. All right, let's see how this part of the driveway pushes with this one. Not terrible. Oh, there's the watch out with this one. Don't get going too fast. Man, what a pretty view up the road. All right, almost done. Ooh. Her salt is frozen. We won't be able to use that. So the key for the snow, or at least this snow, is we're only taking driveways that we know were previously scooped. Because if it wasn't previously scooped, oh boy. For the driveways that were scooped in this last storm, where we got places 13 inches, some of the drifts were crazy though. We had drifts in spots where it was like, let me get this spot. We had drifts that upwards of 3.5 foot, and then you had spots where, you know, the wind blew so much you could still see the grass and cement. Concrete is not cement. I don't need to get these concrete guys on me. All right. Man, I hear a plow. I'm hoping it ain't coming down here. I don't think it will. Usually one of the last spots plowed. Never know. Make sure her path to the mailbox is good. Make sure she's got a good path to her trash cans. Man, I can hear the plows out working. She should be good here. But you never know. Oh, perfect amount. Finish her off. All right. You can see the video I filmed with the tripod. This is 12 minutes. Pretty good. Pretty good. Again, check out this view. How cool is that? I think it's picture worthy. All right, YouTube. We might do a few more today. Might put them on the video, might not. But thanks for checking us out. Give us a like, a follow, subscribe, whatever they call it. Hit the bell for notifications. We're going to be doing a lot of videos this year. Looking forward to seeing you on the next one. Peace.